What's up guys, Brian with SoCo Customs. We've got a build today that I am really excited about. It is our first build for this company, Evo Manufacturing. If you're building anything Jeep, these guys need to be at the top of your list. But first, let me introduce you to a couple of my friends. Alright guys, so first of all, this truck is the 2021 Jeep Gladiator with the diesel. We sent it up 2.5 inches on the Evo kit. This is the Enforcer Overland kit. It is the stage 4 with the King upgrades. Basically what stage 4 means is that it does come with upper and lower control arms for the front and the rear so that you can get all of your alignment and adjustments correct. And then the King shocks upgrade with the black and silver colorway. I'm so glad that Evo offered this colorway and it went with the theme of the build. We went with the 17x9 AEV Saltas. This is the onyx gray and honestly goes really well with the color of this truck. Now this kit provides fitment for 37 1250s. These are the Yokohama Geolandar X-ATs. One thing to note about Yokohama tires is that they do run a little bit narrow, so that if you are worried about fitting a 37 or a 35 1250, you might go with the Yokohamas just to get a little bit more narrow and free up some fitment for yourself. Now this kit rides incredible. The heavy duty moniker on the kit basically means that it's made to accommodate the extra weight of this diesel motor. Like I said, Evo Manufacturing needs to be at the top of your list. If you are building a Jeep, we are really excited to continue working with them in the future. We are a dealer for them. And if you want a SoCo build of your very own, we'll do your pavement builds, we'll do your custom off-road builds. But if you do want one of your very own, give us a shout and we will bring you in. You'll be able to pick every single aspect of your build. We'll sit you down in our comfy chairs. You'll be able to look up at the 55-inch TV screens and pick everything out. So please come on down, guys. We are pumped to see you.